I did a couple of roughing toolpaths, and then with the dynamic mill. So one of the options, if I go in the chain here, as you can see in the machining region, I did not pick anything. So there's no chain in machining region. So in that case, what software does is it basically picks up the stock as our machining region. And in the avoidance region, as you can see, I picked up this bottom face. So it will basically avoid the whole part and machine everything around it. So it will get rid of all the material around the part. So this is how you can address or machine around the part when you need to. So don't pick anything in machining region, only pick the avoidance region, and then it will look at the stock. The second thing, in Mastercam 2025, they added finishing paths. So now in high-speed machining, you can see in cut parameter, there is a finish pass attached to it. So you can have one, so I added one finish pass of 10 thou with the climb cutting, and the compensation is in computer. So again, you can have compensation either way, just like contour. So the only thing is you want to make sure you have a separate finish pass if you want to control the sizes later, because you don't want to run whole roughing and finishing together. So your finish cut should be programmed separately. Okay, so that's how I did the through. So if I just turn on that toolpath, you can see the cutter machining around the part. And then this one to rough out the step. So in this, if I go in the chain, you can see those green chains are the one which I picked as a machining region. And then the red one, I picked it to avoid it so that the cutter doesn't run into that step or into the wall. The only thing, be careful with when you're picking these avoidance region. If I just show you and pick it up again, I'm on the face, so we can pick this, but also you want to make sure that chamfer is included. So if in case you are on a C plane option here, then it will not allow you to pick the chamfer. So you want to make sure we are on 3D. And then I would go add that chamfer in avoidance region. We don't need to add these chamfers because the cutter is only running in this region. And that's how we can kind of achieve that goal. And that's, if I regenerate it, that's our toolpath there.